Thank you, Sandhya, for that wonderful tribute to Mayaji. We now have for you the last section of the conference. And it is with the presentation by one of Dr. Maya Rao's favorite students, Sayyid Salahuddin Pasha. Pasha Bhai is a graduate of choreography from the Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography. He has studied Bharatnatyam and also Kathak with Mayaji, and also Indian martial arts and many other forms. As you know, he has been feted internationally and is also President of India awardee for his work with the differently abled, or as the handy-capable, as he calls his dancers. He created India's first dance company on wheelchairs, a company which is of world-class standards called Ability Unlimited and also Miracle on Wheels. He's going to share with us his journey with Mayaji and with his dancers and the pedagogy that he had to create in order to teach the differently abled. The film is titled Dancing on Wheels.
Namaskar, I am Sayyid Salahuddin Pasha, professionally trained in Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Yoga and Choreography. Today, I am known as a pioneer of classical wheelchair dance, and my work is globally acclaimed and appreciated. I am recipient of the National Award from the President of India and several other awards. The reason behind me telling this is to let you know that all this is because of my guru, Dr. Maya Rao. She is not only my guru and guide, but she has been more of a mother to me. Till date, I definitely think she is the guiding spirit who watches over me. The upcoming film you are about to watch showcases what I have learned from my guru, Maya Didi, and how I applied it in my own field of interest. This will give you glimpses of my innovative, therapeutic, unique classical dance on wheelchairs, which has created cultural inclusion for the empowerment of persons with disabilities. I trained persons with disability in classical dance according to the rules of Natya Shastra and Abhinaya Darpana, which brought them on equal platform. I sat on the wheelchair for several hours to invent this methodology of wheelchair Bharatanatyam. Gone are the days which I used to approach people to give them an opportunity, which today we get regularly for our renowned professional performances. We perform at several festivals across the country and abroad.
विद्याधिपं नीलशूलधरं वृषभवाहनं त्रिनेत्रं बालचन्द्रं च जटाजूटधरं सीतम्
नीलशूलधरं वृषभवाहनं त्रिनेत्रं बालचन्द्रं च जटाजूटधरं सितम् तिं ततत्तज्जं तकदिगु तदिगिणतों हं तर्गिडतों 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 धिं ततत्तज्जं तकदिगु तदिगिणतों हं तर्गिडतों 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 धिंगु दिमिता दिमिता ढिंगु दिमिता का जा का ढिंग तक ढिंगु दिमिता दिमिता ढिंगु दिमिता का जा का ढिंग dim taka dim dim ta dit lan ta taka dim ta dit lan ta takita dim takita hum takita dim ta dim gina ta hum ta dim gina ta hum ta dim gina ta hum.
The next video clipping is martial arts on wheels. Here you will see how disabled people are trying to overcome their shortcomings and bring out their inner strength. I have taken a lot of precautions and care to teach the ancient martial arts Thang Ta. Understanding each one's abilities and training them individually is very important.
Okay, cross.
My therapeutic dance theatre productions are based on dance, music, and yoga therapy. The upcoming short film is about how I adopted the ancient yoga on the wheelchairs. After a lot of research, persons with disability were trying to do the most difficult asanas on the wheelchairs. I have choreographed several dance theatre productions performed by more than hundreds of people with various disabilities like physical disabilities, hearing impairment, visual impairment, autism, and cerebral palsy.
Break the old Jalal and open your newborn eyes. Rise up to heaven on the silken sounds of your song. Delight him with your sublime poetry, and let your dancing feet tap out the joy that he is here.
सूर्य सहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि भाससदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः
It is a privilege to share that I was the first one to introduce wheelchair classical dance on television reality shows across the country, which includes Amir Khan's Satyameva Jayate, Dance India Dance, India Has Got Talent, to mention a few. This was a very strong message to many disabled people to come out of four walls and showcase their extraordinary abilities. My disciples and my work has won the Guinness Book of World Records and Limca Book of World Records.
दोस्तों अब हम देखने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत ही खास परफॉर्मेंस हमारे गुरुजी सलाउद्दीन पाशा जी इन्होंने बहुत हमें प्यार से सिखाया है
ऐसे न देख ऐसे न झांक
ऐसे न देख ऐसे न झांके दुनिया
ऐ दुनिया
I'm so happy and so glad to be here. I will never forget this evening in my entire life. कि आप जैसा गुरु अगर इनके पास हो तो मतलब ये कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा दिल में समा जा शाह का शाह तू अली का दुलारा ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा दिल में समा जा शाह का शाह तू अली का दुलारा ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा
धिम तादारे दानी धिम तादारे दानी धिम ताना तेरे नाम ओ दानी तेरे दर दानी ताना तेरे नाम
To explain how I'm touched, and if this is not dancing, then nothing is dancing. तो डांस का कोई मतलब नहीं.
ಇದೊಂದು ಅನ್ವೇಷಣೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಆಂದೋಲನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಚೇತನಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನುಕಂಪ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವಕಾಶ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಕೊಡೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು?
The unique work has paved the path for cultural inclusion, equal opportunities and empowerment in the field of art and culture. Thousands of people with disabilities have benefited physically, mentally and financially from therapeutic theatre and wheelchair dance. It has been a long journey of 3 decades to accomplish this. With all the hard work that has gone into these innovations, all I want is that it reaches many more people with disabilities so that they can lead a dignified and independent life.
And with that, we bring to an end the Dr. Maya Rao Kathak and Choreography Conference 2020. It has been a very exciting and humbling journey, as are the times now as we share this conference with you. We'd like to reiterate that the conference raises funds for COVID relief for a community that is often overlooked, the folk and ritualistic performers of Karnataka. There is a link given with all the conference material which takes you to the fundraiser. No amount is small. Please do contribute for these artists. We hope to look after them and their needs for the next few months before they can start working again. No project, choreography, production is complete without a team. And I'd like to introduce you to the wonderful team that put this conference out there to be streamed to you. From the beginning, we have with us our Assistant Director of the company, Ramya Nagraj, the project head of the company, Kirti Kumar, and a young impresario dancer, Masum Parmar, along with Rutali Karlikar. I also take this opportunity to thank all the participants of this conference, starting with our Vice Chairperson, Dr. Anita Ratnam, and our blessings always of our Chairperson, Srimati Bimla Rangachar, the Natya Institute of Kathak and Choreography Executive Board members, and Aditi Mangal Das for her generosity in sharing her work with us. The panelists of Day 1, Mahesh Dattani, Lynn Fernandez, Shivani Wazir Pasrich, and Sneha Kaparna, who has been with us from day 1 collaborating to collect funds for the folk artists. Also today's panelists, Rajiv Menon, Sridevi Deshpande Puri, Shiva Natrajaya, and the moderator, our very own Dr. Anita Ratnam, Sandhya Mendonca, and Sayyid Salahuddin Pasha, their beautiful tribute presentations. I'd also like to thank once again Kirti for having done all the editing for the films, especially Maya to Matter that you saw in the beginning today. With that, I bring to an end the Dr. Maya Rao Kathak and Choreography Conference 2020. Thank you so much for being with us and being part of the Natya and STEM family. Namaskar.